Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair, and it was honestly something I didn't plan to record, but I was just like, you know what, it's the journey, I want to share it with you guys. And I was already almost done with the back of my head, so and then in the middle of it I was like, oh man, let me record it. So don't mind the lighting, it might be up and down a bit, but yeah, that's that. So what you want to do before you start this journey is make sure that your hair is actually freshly washed. Mine is, and it's deep conditioned. And if you've got the chance, try to squeeze in a pre-poo if you can, or a hot oil treatment. It will just condition your hair even further, even though you're going to be blow drying it. But yeah, so once I was done with one section, so that's the other tip, work in sections. Once I was done with each section, I would put it up in a 3-strand twist. And you guys, my ends were looking so healthy. It was insane. Like, my hair was just even, it was beautifully even, except of where it naturally doesn't grow longer. For example, my hair at the back is longer than the front. That's just how it is. My hair just grows that way. And I got tired. There was the aim of me, well, the reason I got to decide to blow dry my hair was because I thought that it would be much quicker than doing my hair, putting it up in twists. But I later regretted that because it took so much arm strength. Like, look at what I'm about to do. I just twisted my hair going upwards. That's a skill. Nobody can do that, okay? But yeah, so just work in section. Make sure that your hair, I was also suffering from the the noise that you hear from the blow dryer the entire time for like an hour. It's just, my head was just banging, was throbbing. It was just, no, I couldn't handle it. But you know what, at the end it felt really nice. My hair felt so lightweight. It didn't feel like I had any hair on my, I didn't have any hair on my head, and it just looked so beautiful. I was so happy at this point. But I knew that I needed to stretch it much further than this, because as I was stretching it, it was at a different length than it was now. So I just did like a whole 360 of blow drying again, one round, and then yeah, I was honestly fed up at this point in time. And then my other tip would be to make sure that you are always drying your hair when it's already wet, and use a lightweight leave-in conditioner and a heat protectant. I didn't use a heat protectant, so don't do what I did, okay? Just use a heat protectant and be gentle and patient with your hair. You want to be like me at this point. I gave in. I was quite happy, and I was like, oh yes, it was worth it. I was happy, all smiles and everything. I was like, Mary J. Blige activated. But yeah, man, so that is how I decided to blow dry my hair. Now I'm tired. I feel like this heat has air fried my brain cells. I'm so tired. My arms are tired. But I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looks like. She's very fluffy. I love her. She has grown in volume more than length. And we sometimes forget that that's what natural hair does. Yeah, hey, welcome to the club. I feel like my hair is probably still the same length, but in terms of volume, it's just massive. I just wanted to show you guys this, and I'll show you guys how my hair, how much, I don't even know how much hair I lost in this process. This is part of it. There's probably, yep, there's still some more here. Yeah, so there's just, here we go, there's just a lot of hair, but I feel like I'm always in a rush, but I have to go. I just needed to quickly blow dry my hair. I didn't even plan to record this video, but I just, so I'm gonna finish it a bit later, okay, where I'm looking decent and I am feeling like a human being, because right now I don't. I'm hungry, I'm tired, it's late, it's at night. Why am I doing this at this time? I've got no clue. The lighting probably looks terrible. I probably look terrible, but it's fine. Because there's lots of things I need to discuss with you, the products I use, blah blah blah, and all that kind of stuff. So just want to show you guys this baby right here, and then we will discuss everything else a bit later.